Want to know how to improve your credit scores? Stick around and I'll let you know. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you 2 bonus tips that most people don't know about. My first tip is going to be use it, don't abuse it. Minimize the number of accounts that you open and don't close out any good accounts. If you have good accounts that have been around for a long time, those are helpful to your credit, and use them minimally. And that brings me to number 2, which is if you're able to, pay down the credit card balances to below 50%, and even better if you're able to, bring them down to 30%. It's one of the fastest ways that you're going to get your credit scores higher. Coming in at number 3, any accounts that you have over the credit limit, get those down below the credit limit. And like number 2, if you can get them down below 50 or 30%, even better. Bonus tip, number 1, if you're not able to bring your balances down on your credit cards, you just don't have the cash, here's another option that you might have. See if you can increase your credit limit. However, this might cause an inquiry on your credit report. You may lose a few points for that, but if the overall gain is high enough, it could work out in a pinch if you need higher scores right away. And bonus tip, number 2, be careful about paying off old collection accounts. And the reason I say that is that if you have a collection account that hasn't reported for a long time, your credit report is healing. When you go and pay off that credit collection, the recency with which that collection has happened has now been updated to being more recent, and it can actually bring your scores down. Reach out to me if you have any questions.